You are party in person.
Yes, my lord.
What you are filing?
Written arguments.
Making argument.
Written out. Have you taken, obtained the B certificate, C certificate to appear party in person?
No, I had been appearing in person from the many years. From 1990, I'm appearing in person for all the cases. And even before this court also, earlier date of hearing, I appeared in person.
Partition person committee in the Mandirva. Whether did you go before the party in person committee to grant you certificate to appear
my
as
God.
party in person?
No,
No.
Mm.
How many cases you are appearing?
from 1990, this private complaint was filed in 1990.
Allah, you in the trial court and sessions court, okay. Before high court, this is the first time you are appearing.
No, earlier I had appeared. In my service matter, I had appeared, wherein his lordship had asked me to submit myself because the counsel did not appear.
No, you can appear, there's no problem.
Oh.
But now we have some party in person committee rules. So you go before them.
One
Yes.
more submission, my lord. This matter, based on this bigamy matter, even earlier, the accused has appeared before this court. That is in 1998. Even then I had appeared in person, and even in 2005 also. And lately in 2017, before his lordship. And it is only after that the trial proceeded very fast. So till that time, I had been appearing in person. And all the order
No
copies.
problem, I will also permit you, no difficulty. But
Yes,
now we have party in person committee rules has been framed. So you have to go before the committee and they will give you a certificate of A, B and C. So that certificate you bring on produce, I will take this on record. And you can argue. That's a requirement in law. What's the difficulty?
Because I have an ailing mother,
You have?
aged mother,
Okay.
bedridden mother.
Ah,
So whenever I come here, I make arrangements and then I come.
okay. All right, okay. So you are now given the written arguments.
Yes.
I will take that, don't worry about it. We will take that on record. Now you are ready in this matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Now time is
It's
up.
a husband-wife dispute.
Yeah, what is the offense?
The petitioner is husband and the respondent is the wife. Okay, claiming the bigamy. The petitioner has married another lady
Ah,
and thereby, my lord, the case has been launched in 494 Indian Penal Code. Unfortunately, the petitioner happened to be a practicing advocate also.
all right. You give that, madam. I will take that.
Yes.
Give a copy to one.
Copy I had given them.
Given. And ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Madam, you go before the partition person committee.
But when I have
Can-
not been. and,
You have to go before the
go to the office and find
certificate
out.
ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Just
Registrar office is there. You can ask anybody, somebody will guide you. Go to the registrar. He will guide you. What is the procedure? It will happen in just one day, no problem.
Because I should make arrange, even now.
That is up for you to make, madam. You have to do that. Or you can engage a lawyer. If you don't want to engage a lawyer, I will permit you, but this formality is required.
Now I can go.
You can go now. I will direct
The
you now.
registrar.
You can go now,
Hmm.
provided he's there. If he's doing it now, very well and good. Otherwise, you go some other day, which day he says, he asks you to come. I'm making arrangement when the court hearing is there. I will fix a date for you here. The same day you can go in the morning, come back in the afternoon here if there is difficulty.
Yes.
Learned senior counsel is here, he will agree and cooperate, no difficulty. We'll facilitate, don't worry. You can take care of your mother also and you can argue the court also.
Very good.
All right? Need not worry. Don't get worried. Case we will decide on merits.
Yes, ma'am.
All right?
Very good.
Whether accused is an advocate, my lord. Since 40 years he is practicing, mainly dealing foreign adoption cases.
Dealing in
Foreign adoption cases.
foreign adoption.
Cases, and he has earned a lot of money. And I have daughters, and he has not paid a single pious maintenance even to the daughter.
Hmm.
Now my daughter is 38-year-old,
How much?
38.
38.
Hmm.
Married?
Yeah, recently she's married.
He's married.
Not a single pie, even for the expense. When my daughter was 3-year-old, I started coming to court. And he tried to see that I am terminated even from my job for no reason. And as per the Supreme Court order, I was reinstated. There also I was forced to appear myself because no money to pay. And earlier my father was there, 98, my father had expired. And even the place where I was staying on rent, he tried to adjust because enough money he has and tried to see that I was evicted. And it was in 1995. Few lady advocates came forward. They requested.
You do one thing. I will hear you later because now you go as early as possible before
Right.
the registrar goes off.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
already 5 o'clock. You will have other work, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Barkali. Learned Senior Counsel Sri M.T. Nanaya on behalf of Hemant Kumara.
Prabhu Gaur Tumbis.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ 83 year Prabhu God ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Hemant Kumar.
Hemant Kumar.
Sorry.
Hemant Kumar, our petitioner is present. The party in person, Srimati.
Yes, your name?
Ansa Anthony. Ansa Anthony.
Ansa Anthony.
It's written as Malekil Perinjeri.
Aliakal Pericheri Ansa
Ansa.
Anthony is present before the court physically. She files written arguments. After serving a copy of the same on the learned senior counsel for the counsel for the petitioner, who acknowledges the copy, receipt of the copy of written arguments. You made one small correction in this at para number 13 with your pen.
Because I gave for typing yesterday evening.
ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಾ? You made this?
I might.
And you better countersign, otherwise you should not say it is made by him. Or anybody else in the court.
Full signature, I think. Initial.
Just put one small initial or sign it in the side al ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. Madam, side al ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. The party in person is directed to appear before the party in person committee to obtain the necessary certificate for her to present this case as a party in person. She is directed to approach the registrar concerned. Now the CPC, na? Is it CPC? Yeah, they. Registrar. Today itself. All this, when do you want this matter to be listed?
This week,
This month or next month?
this month.
See the calendar, this month till 31st or next month, you can see here down. Illi nodi, madam,
There.
here.
Can you see?
Yeah. On
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ವಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದು?
ಕಾಣ್ತದಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿಮ್ಮ.
okay. 5th mile, no, that is.
5th September?
30th.
30th August,
Hmm.
August 30th.
Yes, no.
That is 30th August there. All right, call this matter on 30th August, Mr. Senior
August.
Counsel.
I can come in the afternoon, my lord.
Yes, you can come afternoon. Now you go to the registrar.
To-
If they give you the certificate now itself, you take it. If he asks you, you want to come some other day, you can tell 30th. Come in the morning or afternoon,
Yes, sir.
pick up the certificate and you can present it here.
2:30 will come.
2:30. List this matter at 2:30.
Thank-
2:30 is convenient for you?
Yes, my lord.
All right. 2:30, sir. You're. See, Shivaram. What, Mr. Shivaram, you are making your friend wait
Even yesterday, without our
last
knowledge
2 days.
also, the
You have to take care of his
Done.
expenses from 2 days.
Definitely,
and
definitely.
even
We'll
my
take
lord,
care
the
of
matter
it.
is also 2009, my lord, the judgment.
Tomorrow, I was ready to go on with the matter, my lord. I was held up in the other court, that's why.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, no, any day, my lord, Monday,
ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ,
Tuesday,
ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ
my lord.
Tuesday, yes, my lord.
ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಮಾಡಿ
Definitely I will do
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
it.
ಬಿಡುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಡುವೆ
ಇವ್ರಿಗೂ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
I
ಕೊಡಿ
will do
time.
it. I will be here only, my lord. Somewhere I will struck.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದು ಕೇಸು.
That's the reason, my lord. That's all the, my request. My lord.
At request of Leonard Council for the petitioner, relist on 27th,
Yes,
138 ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು,
138.
concurrent
I
judgment.
will go on with him.
All right.
ಆಯ್ತು,
Oblige.
problem.
Still. ಅವರು ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ.
Thanks.
ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು.
Otherwise, morning to evening, I will be here, my lord. Somewhere I will be struck.
Whole day.
He will be running. I am happy that
Yes.
he is very active.
Very active.
You have become grandfather now?
Not yet, my lord. It to be.
Very good. If,
Yes, now I am running 65 now.
Can't make out. God bless you.
Oblige.
Walking for the lawyers is, one of the best thing.
Here only they will get the walking.
Ah,